Welcome. This is how to fix Lenovo laptop that is not detecting wireless network windows. So guys, in order for you to fix this issue, what you could try to do is use the search bar and then just simply go ahead and go to the settings first. Now, once you are on the settings, you can just simply go ahead and go use the search bar over here at the very top and just simply search for troubleshoot, and you should be able to see troubleshoot settings. And now select other troubleshooters. Now from here you should be able to see network and internet. Select or run. Now you will have these options right here. You could do a run network tests, which run a list of network tests to diagnose connectivity issues, and it will give you recommendations. Or you could restart the Ethernet network adapter by simply selecting this one. And as you can see, Windows have also provided some additional information like checking your internet cable connection, restarting your modem, router, or switch, and restarting your PC to fix the issue. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.